Hey, welcome back. In this video, we're actually going to do some work on the Porsche Boxster engine swap, so come along. Yeah, Derek finally found some time in his busy schedule to get the Boxster in, and we're going to drop the subframe here tonight. You know, he said it was going to be running by May of 23. Here we are, February of 24, but I get it. I can't really say too much. How soon do you think you're going to have the engine put in?
I need to have, just need to build one mount for it, so it's going to try to get it in really fast, but like, then it'll be in and out 100 times or whatever. But.
Yeah, there's a lot of mock-up that's going to have to get done and everything like that. But yeah, we're gonna probably. What do y'all have left to pull out of this right now?
The bolts that hold the engine in.
That's it?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. That should be easy.
Yeah.
So what's the plan?
Put it down. Rip out some mounts.
You got like the wiring disconnected and everything?
Yep.
Yeah.
Yep, should be all ready to go. We'll find if I missed anything, but...
Well, obviously, yeah. You still going with max ECU?
Not convinced.
A little more. Right there.
I'd like to do a haltech, and I've been researching on how to see if I can do that. If I can get Ricky to, if I get like a CAN protocol, and just have Ricky like add that to the software.
For like the CAN stuff?
Yeah. Like get a USB to CAN and just start figuring out what all the messages I need.
Right.
All right, see what happens. See anything hanging on?
Not yet.
Okay.
Oh, hold on. I gotta get this axle out of here.
Oh, yep. The axles you're gonna wanna.
Ready?
Yeah.
More?
Yeah.
More?
Actually, you're over.
I was gonna say, do you want me to try pulling the cradle over, or the engine over?
Yeah, I think that's gonna work.
You want me to do this and you watch?
You watch.
Me watch?
I'll watch top.
All right, sounds good.
Just make sure this axle's like below it, but like since it's down, it should be like shorter technically.
Yeah, yeah. Oh, hold on, you got a harness like right here. Oh, there we go. Oop,
Good.
hold on. We got some lines up front.
Yeah, are they snagging on something?
I can't tell.
They should all be disconnected, but
Those ones right there, whatever those are.
oh, come out of there, hold her.
Oh, yeah.
I had her.
Here, I'll hit the button while you're over there.
Yep. Yeah.
So the front mount's the one you have to remake now, huh?
Yeah, well, it'll unbolt from here, and then I can have a plate that goes from here onto the engine, so we can use this, all this, and just this is a flat surface here.
Yeah, that makes sense. What else? Is there anything else you have to use like off this engine or anything like that? No. Clutch and flywheel or 1.1T stuff?
1AT stuff, A4 stuff.
A4, okay.
Yeah.
No, like again, I just want to make sure no bell housing adapter or anything. It bolts right up.
Yeah, supposed to.
Right.
I guess we'll see.
Supposed to. I get that.
Yeah. No, but everything that I have been able to find, yeah, should bolt right up.
Awesome, dude. Now that we got this out, what's your plan for getting a first mock-up type situation done?
Need to get the engine off and onto
the scrap pile.
pretty much, yeah.
May I make a suggestion?
Mm-hmm.
We pulled these axles out while you were doing test fitting.
I have some stubs
Oh, for
like,
rolling around?
For the bearings, yeah.
Yeah.
I just didn't bring them.
Yeah, so we decided since I'm here and everything, we're gonna get this thing off here so we can get rid of it. Got a cherry picker, or are we gonna manhandle this thing?
Manhandle this thing.
Oh my gosh. We're not at 21 anymore, Derek. I'm gonna pull this mount off the front though.
Yeah, yeah. Good idea. Wait, so what was that guy doing with the Porsche again?
Well, he bought it as like a
Oh, that's
the all-wheel drive, rear-wheel drive one.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
The engine.
Yep.
I'm putting it on a cart here. Let's see here.
You're gonna lift the engine and put it on a car. You're gonna be like me going to chiropractor.
That's what I said to him. I'm like, we're not 21 anymore.
This board went with it for a while. The other board
Yeah.
makes you stop. Even if you're 21, you should
There
have
you go.
done it, but we did.
Yeah. Yeah, we're
I said it. We're not lifting it up. That would be the dumb 21 thing. We're just putting it
Yeah,
down.
just let it go.
We're going like this, and that can be that twist.
Yeah, the twisting, jerking motion.
This can be worse than the
Take your
straight
legs
lift.
out of the equation. Lift with your
Lift like
lower
this.
back.
A straight lift like this is easier in the back than a turn.
Yeah.
Whatever. Nothing else I wanted to tell you.
I mean,
Yep.
looks like it does.
Yeah.
Is that a starter spot right by your hand?
Yeah.
Why?
That's where the starter goes on the 1AT. Starter go on the Boxster. Starter's up here.
Right.
1AT is down here.
this
This is an Audi transmission that Porsche used.
Okay,
Yeah,
that
this
makes
is
more sense.
This is just an Audi 012 transmission.
So they probably designed this bell housing around that transmission.
Yes.
Okay.
Yep.
Sweet, dude. Well, that's
Yeah.
good. That's a good sign.
Yeah. Unless you want to bolt the engine on.
I mean, I kind of do. You
It
know
won't
what I
take
mean?
that long. I mean, it's right there. The cherry picker's right there.
I say we do it.
All right. Use the gap between the.
Oh yeah, we'll be all right.
Yeah, we're good.
Yeah.
Might want to just unbolt it actually.
I would say so. Yes. Just because otherwise, if we might have to lift it up more to actually slide it out.
Right. Oh, shit.
So how are we gonna get this on there?
We didn't think this all the way through, did we?
Nope. I have an idea.
Yeah.
We put this on top of your forks, set it down, and then drag it back.
Yeah.
Yep.
Probably. That'll work. It's gonna suck to drag back unless we flip this. Yep. Spin this. That way we're not fighting
Yep. That way we're going different.
with these.
That's probably enough because like when it booms down, it's gonna come back.
Yeah, yeah. Does it want to tip?
A little bit. Yeah, that's a little better.
All right.
You want me to hold and you slide? Probably pull this out at this point.
Yeah.
Give it a good yank.
Wondering if we're hooking it something here.
There we go.
Yeah. Oh, do I have to pull up this? I hope not. Here. How does this go?
Is that bolt going in there?
I think so.
Yep. Ooh.
Huh?
Nothing. Just slid it a little bit, that's all. Ooh.
Huh. Is that where that goes? Board underneath it or something.
Okay, okay. Here, you lift, I'll push. Right under the axles.
Yeah. Try that. That might be too much. That's gonna be too much.
Ooh, that might do it. Ooh, hold on. There we go.
Oh, up here.
Yeah, they're up there. I saw you do it. I mean, like I said,
that should be enough.
yeah. At least for what we're doing today.
Right.
Alright, ready? It's not so bad. See what we're dealing with right there?
Yeah.
I think we have to go back a little bit, but
Yeah, probably.
I mean, yeah, you can see the axle spot, you know. Mm-hmm. I'll watch up front here. Yeah, we got plenty of clearance up front.
Cool. How's the rear looking?
Well, I don't know where it goes.
Oh, yeah. These go up here. And the bolt to right.
Sure. Yeah, so we're gonna have to come down quite a bit yet. Probably like right there. So we're getting close to the pallet here.
Down.
Down?
Down. Yeah, well. You almost.
Shift cables are kind of getting in the way up here.
Yeah. Up more. All right. Come over here.
Sure. Slider?
You need to slide this.
My way or your way?
Well, see, just look under here quick. This is hitting here. Yeah. Too far.
Okay.
No, it's gonna do it on the other side.
Let me just check some stuff here.
Yeah.
No.
Huh?
We're like about to touch the timing cover to the
Yeah.
front.
Okay. So trans has to get dropped. Modified brackets. Yeah.
So we're close. It's hitting right up there. Did you expect that?
I doing the rough measurements, yeah. I kind of expected to have to shift the whole thing. I was hoping to not.
Yeah.
But, like the basic measurements, I kind of came to the conclusion I'll probably have to redo the trans mounts, but I was really hoping to use the.
There's a lot of room in there though right now.
Yeah.
Besides that. Well, that's where we're gonna leave this episode. So make sure you subscribe if you're looking forward to more of this, and we'll see you next time.